It's a V6.
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 76 degree V6.
76 degrees. Oh, it's pretty close.
And it's a double starboard block. So both sides, it's a mirrored image. The port side of the block is the exact same as the starboard side of the block.
Oh, nice.
They were able to get more power, cleaner burn, cleaner.
That's the advantage?
Yeah, they were able to get cleaner exhaust burns, better immersion ratings by doing the double starboard block. And it eliminates some extra parts that they don't need.
And the injection system is the same like the previous one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. With the
a little different injector design, but it's still the same concept.
I remember the injector with the 55 volts.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly the same.
Still same.
And the spark plugs with the index, no?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay.
Well, with these ones, they developed, being that they use two starboard heads, they were able to take and drill the spark plug holes and time them, and then they did a spark plug where you don't have to do the indexing. It's a QC8WEPIA, and it's an already indexed spark plug. So all you have to do is tighten it down from that 18 to 24 foot-pounds into the cylinder head.
Danny, it's incredible that this is the engine 2-strokes that is in the market and fighting with the 4-strokes, and this one is better in fuel in emissions, in control emissions, no?
Controlled emissions, yes.
It's better, no? Incredible. And 2-stroke.
Yeah. And it's still got all the power that you need.
Yeah, this is basically because the efficiency in the combustion chamber with the fuel injection system and after that in the exhaust system with the catalytic converter and all of this, or
there is no catalytic
no
converter.
catalytic. Oh, okay.
The way they were able to get their emissions down is they went from introducing the oil into the fuel system, which is how the Gen 1 E-Techs, and that's actually how the FIC started, was they were still introducing oil into the fuel system to keep all your fuel components lubricated at the same time. When they came out with the E-Tech, they changed that a little bit, and then with this guy, it's all pinpoint oiling. There is no fuel and oil mixture together anywhere in this engine.
I remember a couple of months ago in a sea trail with a boat with those engines. No smoke, no, it's zero, and the oil consumption is practically
very little.
A little, yeah.
So these things hold almost 2 gallons of oil on themselves. You get almost 40 hours of runtime on these engines.
Oh, really?
On a 2-gallon oil tank. Depends on your RPM range. If you're running over 4,500 all the time, yeah, you're going to burn oil a little bit faster than if you're doing mostly idle. But average lifespan is anywhere from 30 to 40 hours of runtime for that 2-gallon oil tank.
Wow, it's a great. And the fuel, what type of gasoline is the recommended gasoline?
Just regular 87 pump octane, but we recommend running Rec 90 through everything, just so you don't have the ethanol problems.
Yeah, no ethanol problems in comparison with the 4-stroke engine. Great.
Right.
Great.
Run the Rec ethanol fuel through all your components and you won't have any of the fuel issues.
And you are a dealer, the Marina of Danny is dealer of Evinrude. You receive constantly training about
They haven't done a train since the pandemic when they shut down manufacturing.
Yeah.
But I've been to Evinrude training in in Waukegan, Illinois, and in their Morrow, Georgia facility.
Yeah. And this one have also the electronic steering system?
Electronic assist.
Electronic assist. Okay.
So if the assist pump fails, you still have hydraulic steering.
Yeah, hydraulic steering.
It's a little stiff, but you can still get back to the dock.
Yeah.
It's not like the electric steering system. If the electric pump fails,
correct,
you're done. You're out of the water. You can't drive. These ones you can at least drive them. It's a little bit stiffer to drive it.
This is a great design, huh?
Yes and no. They were too far ahead of the time. They didn't do enough research and development on it. That's why they had so many issues.
Oh, yeah.
99% of their problems are in this little bracket assembly.
Yeah, in that area.
Yeah. All in the steering components.
Yeah.
That was the biggest setback that they said.
Okay, but
it was just steering components.
Nothing is complete in the life. Thank you, Danny.
It is what it is. Keep them running, right?
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.